In front of me is OUKITEL C15 Pro, and let me show you how to change video resolution on this device. So if you would like to change the resolution of your videos, just open the camera, then switch to video mode, tap on settings icon, and here you will notice video quality. So all you need to do is to tap on this switcher, and here you can pick the mode that you would like to apply. So it can be Full HD, HD, and so on. So just pick the one that you want to record your videos in. And let me switch, for example, to HD, and that's it. Obviously, you can change it whenever you want to. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can smoothly, quickly, and easily change video resolution. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.